Why did they release that shocking news today? It could be a smokescreen to keep people from talking about the investigation.
The timing does seem suspicious.
Smokescreen is a noun that means something used to hide the truth, distract attention, or cover up someone's real intentions or problems.
Do you think the CEO's apology was sincere?
I think it was just a smokescreen to distract investors from the company's financial losses.
That makes a lot of sense.
The flashy presentation was a smokescreen hiding the project's serious problems.
Her anger was a smokescreen to hide her disappointment.
The company's sudden charity campaign was a smokescreen to distract people from its declining sales.